right, I'll start with this as a Scag Tiger Cub. Kind of old, about 2001 maybe. I'm going to flush this wheel motor. Basically because the oil that come out of it is just black. And it was probably ran low on fluid. This container contains diesel fuel. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, and I'm pumping it into this container. I guess it's a good point that it actually turns over, but it does try to stick every once in a while. That's kind of a concern. There's trash in there. Possibly metal. That fluid, you can see, is pretty dark. Hold one more minute.